Welcome to the second part of the video. In the previous video, I told you about the text extractor, advanced paste, and color picker tools. If you haven't watched that video, the link is available in the description, and you can watch it now. In this video, first I will tell you about PowerToys Run. The special thing about this tool is that you can quickly find any file, app, or service on your laptop within a second, and you can also quickly perform calculations with it. First, you need to enable it from here. Then, to use it, simply press Alt plus space, and this will quickly open a search bar. You can easily search for any file anywhere on your laptop within seconds. You can also search for any installed software or app with it, and you can perform quick calculations as well. This can save you a lot of time. If you like the video, please like it, otherwise dislike it and give the reason for disliking in the comment box. Now the next tool is Image Resizer. You can enable this tool from here. Now here multiple preset image sizes already added. And here in encode settings, you can update quality of images by sliding this. And you can also add more sizes according to your need. Let me update this. I am setting name square fit, because I set fit here. Now let me add one more size to show you difference between them. Here I selected stretch, and the name square stretch is fine for this. Now check the current size of image. Now let me resize it by right-clicking on it, then click on Resize with Image Resizer. I am selecting square fit size. And now click on Resize. Here is resized. Now check the size of image now. Image is fitted in square size but not stretched. Now let me show you square stretch size. Now image is fitted according to giving size by stretching. So it's very useful tool to resize image quickly. Now the next tool is Peek. Peek is a quick and easy way to preview files. Select a file in File Explorer and press the shortcut to open the file preview. Let me show you. I selected this image and I pressed Ctrl plus space and here is Quick View. Using same shortcut key you can preview HTML file. You can view PDF file quickly. You can also play video instantly by pressing Ctrl plus space. That's all for today. If there's any mistake in the video, please let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching.